The most certain sign of wisdom is cheerfulness. On the highest throne in the world, we still sit only on our own bottom. The greatest thing in the world is to know how to belong to oneself. I do not care so much what I am to others as I care what I am to myself. I quote others only in order the better to express myself. When I am attacked by gloomy thoughts, nothing helps me so much as running to my books. They quickly absorb me and banish the clouds from my mind. He who fears he shall suffer, already suffers what he fears. If I speak of myself in different ways, that is because I look at myself in different ways. If you press me to say why I loved him, I can say no more than because he was he, and I was I. Learned we may be with another man's learning, we can only be wise with wisdom of our own. Nothing fixes a thing so intensely in the memory as the wish to forget it. I am afraid that our eyes are bigger than our stomachs, and that we have more curiosity than understanding. We grasp at everything, but catch nothing except wind. There is nothing more notable in Socrates than that he found time, when he was an old man, to learn music and dancing, and thought it time well spent. Man is certainly stark mad, he cannot make a worm, and yet he will be making gods by dozens. Nothing is so firmly believed as that which we least know. Lend yourself to others, but give yourself to yourself. If there is such a thing as a good marriage, it is because it resembles friendship rather than love. I prefer the company of peasants because they have not been educated sufficiently to reason incorrectly. To forbid us anything is to make us have a mind for it. Obsession is the wellspring of genius and madness. There were many terrible things in my life, and most of them never happened. Let us give nature a chance, she knows her business better than we do. I speak the truth, not so much as I would, but as much as I dare, and I dare a little more as I grow older. Off I go, rummaging about in books for sayings which please me. To practice death is to practice freedom. A man who has learned how to die has unlearned how to be a slave. The greater part of the world's troubles are due to questions of grammar. Confidence in others' honesty is no light testimony of one's own integrity. Every man has within himself the entire human condition. He who establishes his argument by noise and command shows that his reason is weak. The most fruitful and natural exercise for our minds is, in my opinion, conversation. Ignorance is the softest pillow on which a man can rest his head. There is no knowledge so hard to acquire as the knowledge of how to live this life well and naturally. If I am pressed to say why I loved him, I feel it can only be explained by replying, because it was he, because it was me. I know that the arms of friendship are long enough to reach from the one end of the world to the other. My life has been full of terrible misfortunes, most of which never happened.